Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing revenue-generating actions now. Confirm licenses and insurance, then choose 3 service tiers to simplify selling. Photograph 3 recent jobs for proof. Next, assemble a minimal kit, 18 squeegee, scrubber, ladder, and safety rope, so you can accept work immediately. Create a 30-second pitch and a limited-time offer to get the first clients. Once done, message your network and post 3 listings. Make sure to include price tiers and 1 clear call to action. You move into consistent lead generation by combining door-to-door outreach with online listings. Map 50 target houses or 20 businesses and plan 3 weekly touchpoints: flyer drop, next door post, and follow-up email. Once leads respond, qualify fast. Window count, height, access, and preferred date. Use a simple CRM sheet to log contact, date, response, price quote, and the next action. This keeps pipeline moving. And when you get repeat work, offer a small discount to lock recurring bookings. You close jobs by confirming details clearly: time, address, payment method, and cancellation policy, then arrive early and present a short estimate. Photograph before and after shots for proof, complete the job efficiently, and send a digital invoice immediately. If a client complains, offer a free touch-up within 48 hours and document the issue. This protects you and resolves disputes quickly. If problems persist, issue a capped refund and learn the root cause, so you reduce repeats and improve your processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.